What is going on, everybody? This is an unboxing video because everybody likes unboxing videos for some reason. The only reason I'm doing this is because I got a new keyboard and I just thought, well, I should, unbox it in a video. Also, ignore this. Ignore this because I'm having to use my iPhone to record this in a resolution that's acceptable. And I don't want to pay for EpoCam Pro or whatever it's called, the Elgato thing. I don't want to pay for the Pro version, so you're just going to have to deal with that. Unless I'm able to remove it, but whatever. Being careful not to show my address on this box. Here's the box. I'm pretty sure this company's based in like a different like country. But anyways, like I can't log back into my account for some reason. So if anybody wants to tell me how to do that, like every time I try to log in, it tells me to change my password and I change it and it doesn't work. So can't log back in. But this came really fast, by the way. It came in like 4 business days, I think. I am using this to unbox it. Little backstory first. I did a video a really long time ago where I showed this specific pocket knife. And I opened it and I closed it and that was it. And the video got taken down. I got a community guideline strike. So we're going to make sure that doesn't happen again. So, if you are watching this part of the video, that means they didn't strike me for this. If you aren't, then I guess you aren't. However, whatever. YouTube, chill the freak out. I know what I'm doing, guys. Here's the box. Opening it. Okay. Ooh. This thing is it's not heavy because I'm a big body, obviously. Ooh. That was a joke. But here's the box. Also in the box we have order confirmation or whatever. We have paper. Let's just, I don't know. This seems like a waste. There was a bonus on the website. You could get a bonus for some reason. And I picked my bonus and it was 3 random keycaps. So they came in this little bag. It says mechanical keyboards on it. Come on. You stupid idiot. Can't open it with my big man hands. Okay. Alright. We just go ahead and throw that back to the side. So we have a blue, like a purple one. It's the F4 key. It has like the gelatin bottom for like RGB. I don't think this keyboard has RGB. The F10 key. Which this looks like a regular freaking key, bro. What you're seeing in the corner, those are my holy crap. Those are my Travis Scotts. You want to see these real quick? Hold on. These are my Travis Scotts, bro. One of these broke. I don't know if you've seen these on TikTok like years ago, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, one of these are broke. There's a rip, which, rip, obviously. Those are my random keycaps. Now, we get into this box. See, again, like, the freaking... My big man hands can't freaking open this box. Alright, let's see it. Ooh. Ooh. We have a plastic cover. Let me take the keyboard out first. Oh my gosh, this is way heavier than my other one. Oh my lord. We have a User manual. Throw that over there. Now, can I just point out, guys, like, really? We have a bunch of cardboard inserts. So this is what the real box looks like, right? And look at all these inserts that are in here. You could have, well, I was about to say you could have just made the box smaller, but I just realized there's stuff in here. Whoa, dude. It came with more. I have looted the entire box. Looted the entire box. So, first thing I'm looking at here is a bag of more keycaps. Like, why? And then we have this other plastic thing. I didn't think this was going to be in there either. I can't freaking get this crap out, bro. Okay. Plastic thing is done. So, again, it comes in this unnecessary plastic, right? You know, I love killing turtles, bro. Oh my gosh. Now, the first thing you're thinking is, where's the RGB? Where's the colors? Where's everything? This is a little bit more simplistic. Holy crap, the USB goes in here. It's supposed to funnel in through here and like go in here. So this is my old one. It is RGB. Look at this one is like, you know, there's a comparison. Right? We need to stick this in here, pull it up. There we go. As you can see, we have some silver one. There's silver switches. I think this is a Gateron Silver 2.0, if I'm not mistaken. Silver switches are some of the quietest ones. So now you're sort of seeing some of my intentions with buying this specific keyboard. This one you can hear in the previous videos, right? Right. This has blue switches, so it's going to be like way more loud. This one, let me just do it with this one. See, now that's way quieter. And, you know, when I'm playing a game, holy crap. So, what else are you supposed to do in an unboxing? I don't know. Number one, the shipping process. I would say is 7.5. It arrived fast, which I gotta give a lot of points for that. But like, for a good amount of time, I didn't know if I got scammed or not. So, boxing. I'll say boxing. You know, the boxing was pretty minimal. Yeah, 7. 7 for the box. Accessories. I will say accessories, 9 out of 10. And then the actual product, we gotta think about a couple different factors here. Does it deliver from what I thought it would? Yes. Are the switches what I thought they were? Yes, they are the quietness that I thought they were gonna be. And you know, that's a good thing. I knew there wasn't any RGB, so I can't be disappointed that there is an RGB. You know, I think this is a good product. I would say an 8. I think this is a pretty good first choice. And on the website, you don't have to have the silver ones like I do. You can do the blue ones. You can do red ones, brown ones. Well, not all different types, but there are a good couple of things. I will average that out in post. Here's the average. So, yay! I just wanted to take the opportunity to make one of these because unboxings are awesome. I don't know how to end this, bro. Like, usually the Fortnite videos end with me screaming because I hate this game. And then fading into jazz music.